We want to try another example using Le Chatelier's principle in which there's a little bit of a difference. And when we notice in this balance equation, I have a solid in this one. And if you recall, Le Chatelier has nothing to do with solids. We're really looking at gases. So in this first one it says, what happens if I add more C? Well, if it's a solid and I add more C, we don't really care, so it's not going to have any effect. So that should be a gimme on a test. Now, what if I add more H2O? Well, I'm adding more to the left, so in order for it to balance out, I'm going to have a shift right. Now, what if I raise the temperature? Well, if I raise the temperature, remember what happens. It's going to go towards the products, right? So it's going to shift right. There's also increase the volume. Same thing. If I increase the volume, we're going to get more on the right-hand side. I mean, on the left. So I'm going to have to shift it to the right. And finally, what happens if I add a catalyst? Well, remember what a catalyst is, right? It speeds up or slows down a reaction. So does it have anything at all to do with this equation? No. So it is not going to have any effect. Now, if you're watching this video and you're going, man, you're just not going into enough detail, remember this is for an introductory chemistry course rather than a general chemistry course.